Hi, I am Sowjanya from IT department. Now I am going to discuss about C language. One of the topic in C language is structures. First of all, we will see the definition of structure. Structure is nothing but it's a collection of elements of same type or dissimilar type which are combined into one single entity is called structure. Let us see one example. Let us take student structure. Student. Now I am considering student is a structure. Let us take some attributes of the students. Some common features of the students are like student name we will consider, and student marks we will consider, and his attendance percentage also we can consider. Okay. Now let us create a structure for these attributes and to this structure. First of all, structure can be created with a struct keyword. Structure can be created with a struct keyword. Here from this example, what is the structure I am taking? Student. Now student is the structure name. What are the fields? The field members should be existing inside this block. Now what are these fields? Let us see. I am considering three different fields. First of all, student name. What is this student name? What type we have to consider? This student name is nothing but it's a kind of collection of characters, is nothing but string. So we have to consider it as character array. And then marks. What do you mean marks? Marks obviously is in terms of integers. So we need to select appropriate type, that is integer. Then percentage. Percentage is in terms of decimals. We need to select appropriate data type, that is float. So first attribute is, first field member is S name. But S name is of character array. Some size we need to mention. Like this we need to take. The next one is, next field is marks. Marks is of integer type. Let us consider int marks. Next one is percentage. Percentage is of float type. Let us take float PR. This is the example which we are creating for student structure with the help of struct keyword. Here, once this declaration is over, we need to close, we need to end with semicolon. Here, struct is nothing but it is a keyword, and student is a structure name or tag name. And these are the members list or fields list or fields list. Fields list. Here total I am taking three different fields for a structure student. So we are terminating or we are completing, we are declaring this structure with semicolon. Now this is a student structure. For this we can say a syntax like struct tag name, open brace, closing brace, here the fields list. Fields list. In this way, we have to declare the structure. Once the declaration of structure is over, we have to initialize. For initializing, first we have to create a structure object or structure variable. In two ways we can create that structure object. Before this semicolon, I can take stu. This is one way to create the structure variable, and the other way is, instead of giving here, we can take this struct student stu. In this way also we can create the structure variable. In two methods we can create the structure variable. One is before declaring that only we can give, and one more other technique is by taking struct student stu also we can create. Here stu acts as a structure variable. With the help of this structure variable, we can access all these structure members. Now let us see how can we access these structure members. Here STU is the structure variable I took. Here we can access these structure members with the help of period sign. With the help of period sign. STU dot sname, STU dot marks, STU dot PER. In this way, we can access the structure members. Let us see one example here. STU dot sname is equal to, we can give some value here. Let us take some RAM. In this way, we can initialize this structure member. Next, STU dot, the next field is marks. STU dot marks is equal to 75. Next, STU dot PER. We can give like some 92.3. In this way, we can access all the structure members with the help of the structure variable using period sign or direct selection operator. We can also say it as direct selection operator. So this is one technique to initialize the members. Is there any other technique? Yes. We have some other technique, that is struct student STU is equal to, we can give that values within this open and closing braces. In this, the first field is character array, nothing but string. Here the string is Ram, comma. What is the next field? Marks. Here I took marks are 75. Next, the next field is percentage, which is 92.3 I took in the previous example. In this way also we can initialize the structure. This is one way to initialize and this is another way to initialize. Now we can also access the structure members in the same fashion. In this way we can access the structure members. Now let us see how to display these structure members and these values. Display is nothing but we have to use printf statement. Printf is used to display any value. So printf obviously takes two parameters. One is control string, other one is that variable name. Here I want to display student name. Student name is nothing but stu dot sname. We have to take stu dot sname, I have to display. For displaying this, which control string is suitable? This sname is character array, nothing but a string. For displaying a string, you have to use percentile s. And the next one is, what is the next variable? Marks. So stu dot marks we need to display. For displaying that, we have to go with printf. Here marks is nothing but integer. So for integer, we have to use percentile d. Stu dot marks. The next field is percentage. So stu dot percentage, which is of float type. So percentile f we need to use. Stu dot percentage. In this way, we can display all these values. Thank you.